Do you run a home remodeling or renovation business? Then watch this short video. I have crafted the whole funnel map. What are the ways or marketing channels or strategy you can leverage to get clients? First, we go with SMS database or purchase database. You have existing leads and maybe you have purchase database. Simply you do SMS, send your offer. If they say yes, then it goes to CRM. You do communication and after that you do sales qualify. If it is yes, then appointment will be booked and simply you give the estimate, and if everything goes well and you won the job, and after that you receive review and testimony. So same with lead aggregators. Maybe you have listed your business in Yelp, House, Angie, House Advisor, multiple aggregators. So you receive inquiry, then it goes to CRM, then same process is repeated. Communication, sales qualify, appointment booked, estimate, and job won. If they are not interested and not ready to move forward soon, then they goes into nurturing system where you continuously sends your offers, emails, educational content, so they get more work. And whenever they make buying decision, most probably they will pick you. Now look at the ads. We run Google ads, Facebook, TikTok. You can use landing page or form to capture the lead, and then it goes to CRM and the same process is repeated. And there will be also a backend automation where you send SMS, emails, your offers, so they get more warmer and warmer. And now local SEO. You have done good SEO in targeted keywords like kitchen remodeling Atlanta, best kitchen remodeling Atlanta. This type of keyword according to your city or target area, and you receive inquiries. Then same system goes on. You do communication, sales qualify, nurturing system, calendar, book appointment. Now look at the traditional ways. You print hoarding, pamphlets, uh, place the ads in TV, radio, or magazine. Simply you get call and referrals and referral partners. You get referrals from existing clients if you have done great job, or maybe you have partnered with home loans or any kind of that is related to industry, and you pay certain percentage of commission when they will refer clients to you. And simply the system and process is same: communication, sales qualify. This is how the whole system is.